They say the next world war won't start on land or sea, but in space, and America is preparing for it. Fact 1. The U.S. Space Force now operates hundreds of satellites that watch every move of rivals, from Beijing to Moscow. Fact 2. Anti-satellite weapons, missile defense shields, and orbital surveillance systems are turning space into the ultimate high ground. Fact 3. Programs like AUKUS Space Cooperation and new laser defense projects show that America is building alliances to control the stars. Just like space, life is full of battles you can't see. Those who rise higher gain the clearest vision and the greatest power.